Hi and welcome to Python currency converter. Well, let me show you guys how it works. Enter whatever amount you intend to convert. Let's say you're converting 789 pounds 60 pence British pounds to, let's choose whatever country here, Canadian dollar, so that will be equivalent to Canadian dollar of $1,358 and so on. You can also change it to whatever other country right there. Okay, India, convert. You can reset, give it a shot one more time. Alright, that's Kenyan shilling and Nigerian naira there. Okay, you can also exit. Okay, so what I will do now is take you guys straight into Python where we will start a new program entirely. So let's quit this system and start all over. Let's file, new. Okay, so I'm going to start by importing as follows. Let's increase the size of this to about 14 so that you guys can see what I'm actually working on. Alright, I'm going to start by importing as follows. Let's import Tikinter, import all of the components in TK, string by comma TTK. I will also import Tikinter, import all of those components. The reason why I'm importing this is because I'm going to be using it for combo box, some of the components in there. Okay, now let's import time, and let's import dates. I might have to include dates and time there. Now define my root, which is supposed to be name for my app, and let's go to title. So the title is going to be, let's call that currency converter. Okay, so let me now define my geometry. Okay, the geometry is defined and the background is defined. Okay, the frame is assigned 1000. I've left that as 300. The height as 300. The width is 1000. The coordinate is 00. You can change that to whatever you like. And the background color is black. The next thing I will define would be the frames. Those are the frames I intend to use, one on the left and the other one on the right. As you can see, that's the name of my frame. Left main frame equals frame. That's the widget. The widget is the frame and is inside the root container itself. The width, the height. Okay, that's just supposed to be the border, and I'm actually raising the frame. The same thing here, the only difference is it's assigned to the left hand side. Okay, the next thing is I'm going to define my variables. I intend to use the following variable: date of order, or you can call it date of conversion. Variable value is 0, convert, and currency. Those are the variables I intend to use. As you can see, two of them are string and the other two are double. The next thing I will do is to define my entering widget. That's my entering widget there. If I give the system a try now, let's run it and you guys would see what will happen. So let me save it first. Let's call it currency right there. Pi underscore currency. Save right there. Okay, if I run it now, this is what you guys will see. Let's correct this error, just minor error, change that to lowercase a. Okay, run, save, and there. Okay, that's my first widget there. You can see the second frame here. This is the first frame on the left and the right frame, and right there, that's my widget entry. Okay, the next widget I would define would be as next widget would be a label widget for the British pound sign, which shows the British pound sign equals. So if we run it, this is what you will see there. Okay, now let's define the combo box and the entering widgets. The combo box and the label. Let's do that. Not the, we already have an entering widget. Okay, right here I have my combo box and my entering widgets. There they are. That's the combo box right there, and I have the country's name I intend to use. There they are. Okay, and right underneath here is a label, just to display the conversion rate. So if I run it, this is what you will see right there. So I have all my countries in there, and in here this is where I enter whatever amount I intend to convert. Alright, now that that is ready, all I need to do is to create my command button to take care of the conversion. Let's close that and create the command buttons. Okay, I have my 3 command buttons in place. That's the first one for the conversion. The second one is for reset, and the third one is to take care of the exit. Okay, this command button is assigned to right main frame, and the second one is also assigned to right main frame. The same thing applies to the third frame. And there, as you can see, I have the text value for this button. Now those are the padding, just two x-axis and y-axis. Then that's the border. The background for the font is black. This is the font type and size, and the font is bold. The width is 12, the height is 1. Okay, it's located in row 1, column 0. The same thing applies to all of these. So if I run it, this is what you guys will see there. Right now this button does nothing. Okay, so now let's add one more component right up here for the dates. And right here I have the component for the dates. So let's separate it all. Okay, as you can see, the dates will be assigned. The widget used for the date is a label, and it will be assigned into this LBL date of order. So if I run it, this is how the system will look like right now. Okay, as you can see, there's nothing happening there, but the date will be there once I put together the code for the dates. And right up here, just underneath the variables, I'm going to enter the dates right there. That is the dates. Okay, that's the variable for the date, and that's the variable that I have decided to call right here. So if I run it, and right there, that's how it looks. So all that is left for us to do is to carry out the conversion and reset with the exit button. So let's do that now. Okay, the exit and the reset button, we might as well take care of those ones right there. That's the exit. Those are the lines of code for exit, and below that is the reset, which is very simple. Okay, now let's take care of the calculation itself. So as for the calculation, I will start right up here. We just separate it. Okay, let's start with, that is my method. So I'll call this method currency there. So using an if statement, if value 0 dot get equals, let's say the user selected USA. Okay, then let's enter a local variable there. Convert 1 equals float. Convert dot get, enter parentheses, multiply by 1.34. I think that's the approximate conversion rate for the US dollars. So I will just enter another local variable right underneath here, call that convert to equals US dollars. Okay, comma, convert that to string, and let's enter pound sign there, dot 2F. So that should give us 2 decimal place. Pound equals conversion 1, and that should take care of the calculation itself. So all I just need to do is to assign this into my variable so that it can be displayed onto the widget itself. Okay, let's move this back in there. Right. Okay, so I will now call this, let me call this with command. So where it says btn convert, so I will now call that in there, enter a comma there, command equals convert. So let's run it and see. Just run that. If that works fine, I will speed that up. Okay, let's see what's the problem. 1 2. Okay, one bracket is missing here, I think. So let's run it again. Yeah, so if I enter whatever amount I intend to convert, okay, the equivalent of this in British pound sterling, let's convert it to maybe US. There we go. Click on that there. Okay, so that is how you carry out the conversion. All that is left for me to do now is to copy. Let's just copy that same code and change it to else if. Copy all of that, press enter, and come right underneath here, enter else if there. Let's say if it's Nigerian naira. I think Nigerian naira is, let's enter Nigeria here first. Nigerian naira. Okay, the conversion rate of that is is approximately 422.77. Yeah, so that is the conversion rate in Nigerian naira. So if I run it, let's run it and see. Then we can then speed it up. Let's select US first, enter any value in there, convert, that's US. Now let's go for the Nigerian. Yeah, so that's working as expected. This is not working yet. Okay, now the reason why that is not working is because I need to assign these two first. Okay, let's take care of all of this first. We just take care of the rest. I will now speed that up anyway. Okay, I've actually speed that up, and those are the lines of codes now. So have a good look at it from here down here. Okay, take it down. Alright, so now copy these and use it for my command underneath here. Come to where the button says exit, right there. Command equals exit, and the other one command equals reset. Come right here, enter comma there, another comma here, command equals reset. Okay, that is taken care of now. Okay, let's run it and see how the system will respond. If I enter whatever value I intend to enter in there, okay, and let's say is euro, calculate, reset, fine, that's working. Alright, let's give it a try again. Canadian, calculate, there. Okay, exit, no, exit, yes. So the whole system works the way I want. Okay guys, with that I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. So I suppose you all enjoyed. So but before I leave, let me show you the codes one more time. Let's close that. Let's take it from the top. Alright, import as follows. Define or name your app. Those are the frames that are used. 4 variables declared. Conversion calculation took place here. Alright, takes place here, as you can see, and take it down. And here, exit button, the method for exit button, the function for clear, date, output for all my input, entering widget, label widget, combo box widget, label widget. And right underneath here I have my buttons. Here is a label for the date, and these 3 other widgets are just the buttons. The buttons that triggers the calculation, the button that trigger the reset and exit button. We'll run it one more time and you see the product there. Enter whatever value in there, convert. Okay guys, with that I'll call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you all enjoy it. Please do subscribe, and you all have a nice day now. Bye for now.